Hello friends, in this Friday we are going to be learning how to speak English fluently. Speaking English fluently requires constant practice, determination, perseverance. English is an international language and that is to be spoken very confidently, without hesitation and without grammatical errors. So here I am with 5 easy tips to follow that you can also speak like native English speakers do. So let's see what are they. The first thing is to learn new words daily. If you start learning new words with examples and use it in your daily English conversation, it is great and an ideal way to improve your word power and thus helps in improving your conversational skills. So conversational skills here mean to improve your English speaking levels, to your degree of speaking English, okay? How confidently you are speaking in English, how confidently you are replying in English. So learning new words helps in improving your vocabulary skills. So at least 10 words a day is ideal, and you should try to write a paragraph using that 10 words and use it in your daily English conversation and vasten up your vocabulary levels. Okay, so if you feel insecure in speaking English and you're thinking for an idea to what to read to improve your English, you can read plays. Okay, plays are made of conversational, so that helps to improve your conversation. So rather than reading a novel, you can read play. Okay, beginners, you should try reading play. Then you can go into a novel. That helps to widen your strength in vocabulary skills. The second tip is think in English. So when you start thinking in English, you are internalizing the language. So what does internalizing the language mean? Internalizing the language means you are making the language internal as your mother tongue. So this is what native speakers do. They don't they don't feel whether it is right or wrong, whether it is grammatically correct or wrong, but they do think in English. So whatever you're thinking in English, try whatever you're trying to think, try to think in English. Okay, that helps to prevent stammering while speaking in English. So when you think, try thinking in English and talk to yourself in English, no matter if it is grammatically wrong. So that is a point to be noted here, because native English speakers internalize the language by speaking to themselves in English, by thinking in English, no matter whether they are right or wrong, but they think in English. Okay, that is a very important trick to enhance your conversational skills. Okay, the third tip is learn listening. Okay, there are many audiobooks available online, and there are many speaking lectures that you can get through online. So try listening that. When you're listening any English radio or English news or English conversation which is super intellectual, try to listen keenly and thereby taking notes out of the words and phrases which are new to you and which sounds super good. Okay, it sounds super intellectual and elite. So try to write the phrases and words in your diary. Make your own diary for English and write those 10 words as well as the new phrases you come across each and every day. So this greatly helps in flourishing your language skills. Okay, language can be learned very easily if you have perseverance. And the fourth tip is practice by speaking to yourself. This is one point that I have done myself, because I used to talk to myself when I'm in my room alone, and thereby speaking, I imagine myself as a professor, or I imagine myself as a guest lecturer or a speaker. Okay, and I talk to myself. So have a mirror in front of you and talk to yourself what you're trying to say and what you're trying to impose on others. Okay, if you do like that, definitely you can overcome the lack of confidence in speaking English and your fear of speaking in English. Okay, this also helps vocabulary skills, so your English communication levels. So this is one of the most effective ways to improve your conversational skills. Speaking to yourself in front of a mirror helps you to overcome fear and lack of confidence. This enriches your vocabulary skills. Okay. So the fifth tip is try replying in English texts rather than your native language. So if you are Hindi, Malayalam, Tamil, whatever you are, but try to reply in English in your WhatsApp conversations and your comments. You're replying to your comments. Try replying in English. So that's when you're more familiar with English. Okay. So you won't feel English an odd one. You feel like, okay, we can manage in English. Yeah, I know English. I know to talk. I know to write. You'll be more familiar in English. So whenever you are replying to comments in social media or in your personal messages, maybe try replying in English. So it helps a lot to get a powerful communication. So powerful communication is very important. So that is when you will get the fluency of English rather than concentrating on the grammatical side. Okay, grammatical side is it is secondary. Primary thing is you should concentrate more on the fluency, like how fluently you are talking without seeking for words and without stammering and without lagging while speaking English. So that's very important. So these are the 5 easy tips to improve your conversation. So what are they? Learn new words daily, think in English, learn listening. Okay, this is very important, and practice by speaking to yourself. So this might seem silly while I say practice speaking to yourself, but it is a great way to increase your conversation level, right? So also try replying in English in texts, okay, rather than your native language. So that helps to enrich your language.